Before we start, please make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to turn your notifications on, that way, you won't miss a single upload. This is the new Audi A6 Avant e-tron concept that debuts as a 469 horsepower electric station wagon. Check it out. Audi will have a version of the wagon capable of going 435 miles on a charge. The A6 Avant e-tron concept is purely a look at what Audi is planning for the exterior of the new vehicle. This wagon doesn't have an interior, and the brand isn't providing any details about what the cabin looks like. The front of the Avant e-tron is familiar for an Audi, yet different because of the electric powertrain. The brand's single-frame grille is now mostly closed, other than small L and U-shaped inlets. Functional inlets in each corner create air curtains to improve the aerodynamics. The ultra-slim headlights let owners configure their own daytime running light signature, and Audi suggests this is tech that's coming to the production car. At least on the concept, drivers can pull up to a wall and use the headlights as a projector to play video games from the cockpit. Looking at it from the side, the wagon has an aluminum piece running from the A-pillar, the side of the roof, and the rear spoiler. This element adds something eye-catching to the vehicle's profile. At the back, the concept has a steeply angled hatchback. The full-width taillights have 3D elements inside of them. The lower portion has a prominent diffuser with oval-shaped vents below it. It has an electric motor turning each axle for a total output of 469 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. Audi isn't disclosing the exact battery capacity, but indicates the figure is around 100 kilowatt-hours. The 800-volt, 270 kilowatt recharging capacity allows for getting 186 miles, or 300 kilometers, of WLTP range within as little as 10 minutes. Less than 25 minutes is necessary to charge the battery pack from 5 to 80%.